Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm gonna go over 3 reasons why I started a one-person business, why I became a solopreneur, and why I think you should consider doing it too. The first reason why I started a solopreneur one-person business model. So you might be asking, what is this business? The business is actually this YouTube channel. So my plan and my goal from this YouTube channel is to actually use it to funnel people into a consulting and coaching business, basically where I use my knowledge, the things that I already know, like in my knowledge database, my everyday database, whether that be with women and getting girls, whether that be with supplementation, using it for different like sexual health functions and things in the gym, whether that be like motivational content. My goal is to use content as the first point in the funnel to bring people in, and then from that be able to provide services to them as far as like consulting and coaching and eventually digital products down the line. The first reason why I'm starting a one-person business is because I do believe that it actually is a bit easier. So when you compare a one-person solopreneur business to like your average like tech business model where like you have to have a startup, you have startup costs, you have to do seed funding, you have to build funds for whatever the tech thing is you're building or whatever product it is that you're building. You have to have employees and people that know that what they're doing, people that know things more than you, and you hire them for their services and what they can provide to you. And I believe that all that has a big barrier to entry. To start something like that, to start an undertaking that big, you really have to be all in. You have to have other people believe in you and your vision. You have to bring people on board that believe in you and your vision, versus when you have like a one-person business model, it's just a lot easier because the only person you need to convince to believe in you is you. The second reason I'm starting a one-person business is because I'm a bit of an introvert. Now you might be wondering, Alton, how are you an introvert? You're over here making YouTube videos right now. You're on the camera in front of everybody. Well, if I had to retract, I would say I'm kind of an ambivert. So in most everyday situations, I am an introvert. I do prefer being by myself and being alone. I am the person that I trust the most. I'm the person that I believe the most. And the third reason why I'm starting a one-person business model is because sometimes when you go into business with another person, whether that be a partner, you have somebody like a friend that you really believe in, you guys have a great idea together. I've actually done businesses in the past, whether that be e-commerce, drop shipping, being a musician. I've had managers in the past, other artists that I've worked with, and not saying that it's a bad thing to collaborate or work with other people. I do believe that 2 heads can be better than 1, but a lot of times when you have more than 1 person on a project, any type of business model, there's gonna be friction. And a lot of times by having just another person, it can almost, for lack of better words, ruin what you guys are working on, because if you come to a point where you guys can't see eye to eye on a certain thing, and it's like 2 rams that are crossing and you can't get past that, then what do? The whole business gets dissolved because you can't just make solo choices by yourself. If there's any more people involved in the business besides you, you have to always consider their thoughts, their needs, their ideas. And again, going back to my previous point, I want as least amount a barrier of entry as possible. I want to do things the fastest way possible. I want to do things the most efficient way possible. And when there's only 1 person that's making the decisions, it does make things go a lot quicker, in my opinion. So those are my 3 reasons why I'm starting a one-person solopreneur business and why I believe that you should consider doing the same thing. If you're new to the channel, my name is Alton. Welcome. I make tons of content just like this. So if you like today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like for me, and comment down below, what do you think about one-person business models? If you'd like to schedule a call with me, the link to schedule a call is down in my description. I do one-on-ones with people if you need help with anything. If you want to run ideas over, I'm always here to help. Thank you so much, and I'll be back with another video very soon.